Can I use my Apple gift card to make in-game purchases on any device?
Hello, viewers. Today we're going to answer an important question that many of you have been asking. Can I use my Apple gift card to make in-game purchases on any device? Stick around to find out all about the versatility of your Apple gift card.
What can I buy with an Apple gift card?
First off, let's clarify what exactly you can use your Apple gift card for. Apple gift cards can be used to purchase various products and services from Apple. These include apps, games, music, movies, and iCloud storage. And yes, that definitely includes in-game purchases, as long as the game is available on the Apple Store.
Can I use my Apple gift card on any device?
Now onto the second part of the question. The answer is a bit more nuanced here. You can indeed use your Apple gift card to make purchases on any Apple device that has access to the Apple Store, including iPhones, iPads, iPods, and Macs. However, if you're thinking about using it on non-Apple devices, that's where things get a bit tricky. Non-Apple devices usually don't have access to the Apple Store. Thus, you may not be able to make in-game purchases using your Apple gift card on devices that aren't part of the Apple ecosystem.
How to make in-game purchases with an Apple gift card?
Now that we know the possibilities and limitations of your Apple gift card, let's discuss how to make those in-game purchases. 1. First, you'll need to redeem your gift card in the App Store on your Apple device. 2. Once you've redeemed your card, the balance is added to your Apple ID. This balance can be used across the Apple ecosystem. 3. To make an in-game purchase, simply select the feature or item you wish to buy within the game. 4. Follow the game's prompts to purchase the item. Your Apple ID balance should be used automatically for the purchase. In conclusion, yes, you can use your Apple gift card to make in-game purchases, but only on devices that can access the Apple Store. We hope this clears up any confusion and helps you get the most out of your Apple gift card. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for tuning in.